Find the equation of the line passing through these 2 points. Well, this is something that's done in beginning algebra, intermediate algebra, all the way through calculus. If this was beginning algebra, this would just be 2, 1, 7, 3, something like that. In intermediate algebra, it's a little more challenging because you'd have fractions and fractions. Here, pre-calculus, it's a little more abstract. What if the second component here is a variable? Well, we'll still use the slope formula that you subtract the 2 y values and then subtract the 2 x values. So the slope is going to be t minus 1 over 5. Since we don't know what t is, then we just have to have the letter t in there. Okay, now we can use y equals mx plus b, where the m we found out is t minus 1 over 5, and that's times x plus b. Next, we need to find out what b is. Well, in order to find out b, you just need to substitute something for x and substitute something for y, and you can use this point or this point. I think I'll go ahead and use this one that has the 2 numbers. So x is going to be a 2 and y is going to be a 1. So x is a 2, and then we need to solve for b. So this object right here we'll need to subtract from both sides. So we'd have 1 minus that fraction t minus 1 over 5, and I'll put the 2 in front. And next we need a common denominator. This is going to be 5 over 5 since our denominator is 5. So we'd have 5 over 5 minus 2 and then t minus 1 over 5. And then this right here, if you distribute, would be a positive 2 over 5 with 5 over 5. Well, a positive 2 and a positive 5 makes positive 7. So if we distribute, there's going to be negative 2t and a positive 7 over 5. And that's what the b is. So finally, we have our equation. Y is equal to, so we had the beginning part already. T minus 1 over 5 goes in front of x. And then over here we've got the b. So plus the fraction negative 2t plus 7 over 5. And that is the equation of the line.